I've been seeing these floral chokers all over social media and on the runways, so I figured I would make a video showing you all how to make one. The first thing you're going to need to make these chokers are ribbons. I picked up ribbons in a few different colors from the Dollar Tree. Next, you're going to need fake flowers. I picked up fake flowers in a bunch of different colors from the Dollar Tree as well. Be sure to wrap the ribbon around your neck to measure it so you get the right length. The first thing you want to do to prep your flowers for the ribbon is to cut the stem off of the bottom, as well as removing the extra green plastic piece to the flower. After the plastic piece is removed, you want to cut a small circle in either a piece of felt or fabric, because we're going to glue that onto our flower. I really like cutting out a little piece of felt to attach because I feel like it makes a really great base for the glue to be able to have the flower stick a bit better. After completing your first flower, you can repeat the steps with all the other flowers you have, removing the stems, gluing on the felt pieces. Now that our flowers are dry, they're ready to glue onto the ribbon. You can place a little dot on your ribbon if you like, so you know where you'd like to place the flower. That's what I did here. After placing your flower on the front, you may want to flip it over just to make sure the glue is intact with the ribbon on the back. And there you have it, a really cute, fun floral choker to wear this spring and summer. I can't wait to wear all the different ones that I made. Be sure to follow and subscribe for more content like this. I'm on Instagram, TikTok, and here on YouTube at Black Charmer.